Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be making this delicious SAPA rice. I call this SAPA rice because I combined few veggies and tomato paste to prepare this. Trust me, it came out so delicious. So if you're interested in this recipe, keep watching and don't forget to like and share this video. Let's get started. Okay, welcome back. So here are the ingredients I'll be using to make this recipe. So do well to watch till the end, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and also turn on the notification for more interesting recipes. If you're coming across my video for the first time, you are very much welcome. This is Sunshine Yummy Treats. Please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel, liking and sharing my videos. Also turn on the notification for more interesting recipes. And to my returning viewers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for the likes and comments. I'm really grateful. Thank you and God bless you. food is ready. Guys, is this really SAPA rice? It came out looking so appetizing and so delicious. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like and share this video. Also hit the notification bell to get notified whenever there is a new upload. Bye.